If you want to create a Faceless channel, I have something for you today. I'm going to show you how I start the process using ChatGPT first, and it will give you ideas and it will give you reasons why it will work. So what I did was I typed in my first question to ChatGPT, and I said, I have a question for you. Which Faces channel can I start that has a high RPM? And what does RPM mean? And I know what RPM means already, but I just wanted it to be on the screen so that you can see it for yourself. RPM means revenue per mil. Mil is 1,000. It's the amount of money you earn per 1,000 views on a YouTube channel. And it's the key metric for monetized creators. It includes ad revenue, which is called Google AdSense, channel memberships after you get monetized, super chats and super stickers after you get monetized, and YouTube premium revenue and other things that because with my channel True Travel Treasures, which is doing phenomenal by the way, 46,000 subscribers, it's a Faces travel channel. I also had the opportunity to um, post affiliate products on each of my videos. So when you get monetized, you also get that option as well. After a certain amount of subscribers, of course. I think I started, YouTube offered that to me when I got to 10,000 subscribers. All right, so, but that's not what this video is about. It's about giving you ideas on Faces channels that will pay higher RPM. Because you don't want to go in and, create a channel that is not going to do well. You want to make sure that you have all your dots and your T's before you go in. All right, finance, of course, has the highest RPM. It has to do with investing, cryptocurrency, and all of those stuffs. The RPM, all of those stuff, sorry. The RPM is between $15 to $30 and more. You can create animated videos explaining about credit cards, saving tips, passive income, or financial market trends. Whiteworks, financial services pay high ad rates. Those are the companies that want to advertise on your videos. So they will pay well. Tech and software tutorials, the RPM is between $10 and $25. The Faces idea is screen recordings of AI tools, apps, software comparison. It works because business to business and SaaS companies have huge ad budgets to spend. On number three is online business and side hustles. I don't know if you have seen some videos where people they're doing videos about side hustles. Well, their RPMs would be between $10 to $20. You would narrate videos showing online income methods, Shopify versus Amazon, for example, real estate flipping tips is one of them, and making money online, work from home, remote projects, and so on and so forth. And why it works is that you use highly monetizable keywords that may have low competition but high volume. Number four is education, which includes language learning, math, science, and so forth. The RPM is between $7 to $20 per thousand views, and you can use whiteboard animation, slideshows, teaching language, art, math, and science. Why it works is because these are evergreen content, and they have a high ad value as well. Number five is luxury, minimalism, high-end products. The RPM is between $8 and $20. You could offer reviews or comparisons of luxury bags, watches, or minimalist travel gear. Sometimes I do that on my travel channel. Why it works is because advertisers target affluent buyers. So if your channel is doing well, they will, pay for their Google AdSense, and Google will put that on your videos. Digital marketing, SEO, affiliate marketing, RPM is between $12 and $25. You would also review products. You would screen record tutorials and use narrated case studies. This has a high commercial intent. And number 7 is health and fitness with a scientific or coaching angle. That's between $7 to $18 per thousand views. You would use voiceover for workout routines, nutrition advice, or mental wellness tips. It works because health products and services are huge. They're a big ad spend. So what ChatGPT asked me after I asked a question and they gave me a response, would you like suggestions for faceless channel name ideas or how to structure videos in any of these niches? So I went ahead and said, no. Another question before that. What's the RPM for a faceless channel about organic health products and their benefits, such as turmeric, burdock root, sea moss? In case you don't know, I take my health seriously. And I do a lot of research on what organic products work for certain illnesses. Turmeric is good for inflammation. Burdock root and sea moss are just good for your overall health, for flushing out your kidney and your liver. And I've done the research, so I already know this, and I'm very interested in this topic. So if I were to start another Faces channel, which believe me, I'm going to do this, this is where I would go first. So I wanted to know the RPM for this particular niche. And according to ChatGPT, the RPM is between $5 to $15 or more. The higher end, possibly, if I attract an audience that are health conscious, ages 25 to 54. I would think it may be more, like 25 to 65, I would think. Viewers from the US, Canada, and the UK, because they are brands that sells natural supplements or wellness products, and I probably would get some sponsors along the way and all that stuff. ChatGPT now is giving me more information. Why it can earn a decent RPM is because it has a huge ad market. Many supplemental companies, wellness brands, and fitness programs want to advertise on content that promotes organic remedies. Viewers often search with high buyer intent. For example, the benefits of sea moss. They might buy a supplement after watching one of my videos. And ChatGPT goes on to let me know, use long tail keywords like benefits of burdock root for skin detox, why sea moss is good for gut health, and so on and so forth. And there are affiliate products that I can post in my description as well. And I could compare like the difference between turmeric versus ginger, which one is better for inflammation. So ChatGPT is giving me ideas for SEO purposes and to improve my Faces channel. And also a bonus tip, consider also repurposing content to a blog or email list, since health related niches do well in affiliate marketing. Because what's going to happen is that it's probably going to take me some time to monetize. When I say that, I mean between 7 days to 30 days. So between that time, I can still use my channel to make money by promoting affiliate products. So this is a good niche to get into. So ChatGPT asked me next, would I like a list of video ideas, SEO keywords, and channel structure tips for this specific niche. But first, I want a name for that channel. So before I end this video, let me ask ChatGPT. Okay, no, I would first like you to give me 5 possible names for my channel. And then later, I will ask you to help me with the banner. With the banner and logo prompt that I will paste into Leonardo.ai. And then afterwards, I will ask for video ideas. Let's see what comes up. Okay, perfect, ChatGPT says. Here are 5 channel name ideas for your Faces YouTube channel focused on organic health products and their benefits. Okay. Nature Knows Best, Rooted Remedies, The Herbal Code, Earthwise Healing, and Plant Power Daily. So what I would do is I would go to YouTube and put in those names to see if they're already somebody's already using them, because you don't want any conflict. You want name of your channel to be unique. Okay, so that's what I would do next, and then afterwards I would follow up with getting a prompt to create my banner and my logo next. So that's how you would use ChatGPT to start creating a faceless channel. In my next video, I'm going to make this a series, and I'm going to create the same channel that I'm asking ChatGPT about. And then when we come back the next time, we will move on to ChatGPT giving me video ideas, and I will allow you to walk through the process with me, so that when you are ready to create your channel, you know exactly what to do. And you can create a channel like this if that's what you want to do. I have no problem with that, because YouTube is a big playing field, honey, and we all are going to be on this YouTube streets trying to get ours. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. I am your host, Cheryl. And one thing I'm asking you before you go, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Also, download my video planning guide and viral video cheat sheet in the description. I also created a YouTube growth guide as well, but this is a paid ebook. The link will also be in the description. I'm glad you stayed till the end. I hope you found value in this video. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you. And think about starting your Faceless channel, okay? And I hope this gave you some ideas. What I'll do is I'll put some of these texts that ChatGPT gave me, the RPM, the 7 RPM up here. Sorry. Yeah, I'll put a few of them in the description, so you can, you can look at it afterwards and get your own ideas, and maybe even come to ChatGPT and ask further questions. But until then, I'll see you in the next video.